Welcome to the channel, or welcome back to the channel. In this video I have an exercise that I do to make my legs look bigger, stronger, and more defined, and also improve my balance, which then allows me to add more weight to my squat and deadlift. And in this video I'm going to show that one exercise and the major keys to this exercise, and one little thing at the end that I add to make a lot more gains in the long run. So stick around for that. So let's get started. So the exercise that we're doing today is going to be the split squat. Now we're going to start with this exercise without weight to get a foundational sense of this exercise. Now the first thing that you should do is get a platform. Now you're going to have that one leg on the platform. You can either have it with your toes on the platform or your top of your foot flat on that platform. Now when it comes to that front leg, make sure it's slightly bent. Also make sure it's also slightly far out from the platform to the point where that back hip or that front of that back hip is slightly stretched, because that's going to be important when you're actually squatting, because if you don't have your front foot far out enough, you can't squat properly. Now as you're squatting during this exercise, you want to make sure that back foot is pressed firm on that platform to keep you stable. Now with that front foot, you want to make sure the heel is on the ground the whole entire time. Anytime you have your heel off the ground, you're in a less stable position and you have a chance to topple over and hurt yourself. And on this channel, we only want gains. Now, when it comes to the depth of that squat, when you're lowering, you want to make sure you go to an L shape or 90-degree angle. And as you're lowering, make sure that weight or all the weight is going to the back of your foot to keep that heel from going off the ground. Now, as you're pressing up with that front leg, you want to make sure you're pushing off from your heel again to make sure that, again, your heel never goes off the ground. That's really, really important in this exercise. And as you're lowering that front leg, make sure that back leg is also being lowered. Now, in the beginning of this video, I did mention that one little thing that I add to make a lot more gains in the long run, and that's when I finish repping out with weights, I drop the weight and continue the exercise without weight. Because when it comes to building muscle, you have to go above and beyond. You have to give your body a reason to build muscle, and going above and beyond is the way you give your body a reason to build muscle. You have to have the mentality that first rep for maintenance, last rep for improvement, because muscle is not built when you first do the first couple reps. It's built when form is a struggle, but you maintain the struggle when you want to quit, but you keep on going. And if you're getting value out of this video, please subscribe, turn on that bell, and leave a comment down below, because here on this channel, we try to empower people at home and nutrition and at the gym with the goal of building muscle. And not only should you subscribe, also tell your friends, your aunts, partners, aunts and uncles, brothers, sisters, everyone that you know, go to their phone, with permission of course, go to my channel, subscribe for them, turn on that bell for them, and tell them every single time they see a video from me, just watch it, click like, and leave a comment down below, because all I'm trying to do is to just try to bring value to people. So the more people that subscribe, the more value I can bring. So please help a brother out, and always remember to make mirrors your canvas, waste your paintbrush, sweat your paint, and may your drawing always be beautifully unfinished.